Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how we can solve quadratic equation using the formula. In the previous lesson, we discussed extensively how we can solve quadratic equation using the factorization method. If you missed a thing in that, you can check in the link below for that lesson. In today's lesson, I want to solve this question right here. Find x to the power of 2 plus 9x minus 2 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? It simply states that the variable x, in this case, is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. This is the formula here. Some people call it the quadratic formula. Whatever you want to call it, that doesn't really matter. But how to apply it is the real thing. So how do we go from here? Now, what are the values of A, B, and C given to us in this question? Okay, so what I'll simply do is compare the given equation here, the equation we want to solve, with the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx and plus c equals 0. Okay, so when we compare what we have, what we're given, and the general form of the quadratic equation, so that tells us that our a, okay, according to the equation is 5. When I compare this coefficient here of x in the second degree with what I have in the question, you see a equals 5 and also the b equals 9, okay, and finally my c, okay, that is the coefficient of x in the 0 degree is equal to negative 2. As you can see here, c equals negative 2. You take it alongside with the operation. Okay, so how do we go further from here? We're going to substitute what we have, all this value, into this equation. So when we do that, what we have will be that x equals negative b, which is negative 9, okay, plus or minus. Our b is 9 squared, and 9 squared is equivalent to 81. That is 9 times 9, minus what I have here is 4, okay, times a. What is my a? Is 5, and what is my c? Is negative 2. If I simplify further, I'm going to have x equals negative 9 plus or minus 81. This gives me plus, okay? When I multiply out, what do I have next? This is 20 times 4 times 2, that's 40. So this is what I have right here, all divided by 10. So I'm going to continue from here, okay? So I have x equals, simplifying this, what I have is 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 plus 40. Of course, this gives us 121, all divided by 10. If I go on further, I have plus or minus, this is 11. The square root of 121 is 11, and I have 10. Okay, so from here, I have two values for the x variable here. And the first one is negative 9 plus 11 over 10. Or I have negative 9, negative 11 over 10. If I simplify what I have here, I'm going to have x equals, this is 2/10 or negative 2, because this gives me negative 20 divided by 10, that's negative 2. I can simplify this further to give me 1/5 or -2. So these are the values of x. If you have any question, you can use the comment section. And if you think this video will be beneficial to someone out there, please try to share with them. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.